How to fix notes not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix notes not showing up on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are using the Instagram app, many people have been uploading notes to their profile and so on, but you don't see the notes option inside of yours. It's very simple to fix it. So let's say you open Instagram. When you tap the DMs page here, you'll most likely be able to find this notes option, right? But you can see that it is not actually there. So what you basically want to do is, first of all, I want you to long press the Instagram app icon, then just tap the I button here. Once you tap the I option, what you want to do is just scroll down over here, go to storage, make sure to clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've cleared the cache files and data, just head over to your app store, search for Instagram app, check if the app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version, because notes is basically a new update. If you've not updated the app, you will not be able to find the option. This way you can hopefully fix the notes not showing on Instagram issue. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.